Hello students, in maths, third chapter name is fractions. I think you already studied about kilogram, gram, meter, milliliter, etc. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Is it clear? 3 into 250. What is the answer? You think that 250 milliliter 3 times. What is the answer? 250 3 times. 750 milliliter. Is it clear? 4 times 500 gram. How can we write this answer? 500 4 times. So what is the answer? 2000 gram. So we already know that 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. So here 2000 gram is equal to 2 kilogram, right? So 500 gram is equal to half kilogram. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. So 500 gram is equal to half kilogram. Is it clear? Look at this. 4 times half. 4 times half is, what is the answer? 4 times half is 2. Is it clear? 4 times half is 2 and 3 times 1 by 4. 1 by 4 3 times. What is the answer? 3 times 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. 4 times half is 2. 5 times 1 by 4. What is the answer? How can we find this? 5 times 1 by 4. 1 by 4. 5 times 1 by 4 means 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 1 by 4. So 5 times 1 by 4 is equal to 5 by 4. So what is the answer? 5 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. Remainder 1. So what is the answer here? 1 by 4. Is it clear? 5 times 1 by 4 answer 1 by 4. Is it clear? Half of 6. What is the half of 6? How can we write this? Half into 6 means half of 6. Answer 3. 1 by 3 of 2. What is the answer? 1 by 3 part of 1 by 3 of 2. Look at here. You can see here 2 meter ribbon. Imagine that this is the 2 meter ribbon. Here 1 by 3 means we should make here 3 equal parts, right? 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts. So here you can see here 2 parts shaded, right? In 2 meter. 1 by 3 of 2 means here 1 part is shaded and here also 1 part shaded in 1 meter. So you can see here 2 parts shaded, right? So what is the answer here? 2 by 3. 3 parts is there, 2 parts shaded. 1 by 3 of 2 is 1 by 3 into 2 is equal to 2 by 3. Is it clear? Look at this. 4 times 1 by 3 means 4 pieces of 1 by 3 meters. How can we write the answer? 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 3. So we should divide here. 4 by 3. 3 ones are 3. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is answer 1. So what is the answer? 1 by 3. 4 times 1 by 3 answer 1 by 3. Is it clear? 4 into 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. What is the answer of 4 times 2 by 3? What is the answer? 4 times 2 by 3. How can we find out? 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. You can see here 4 times 2 by 3. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 by 3. 8 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 2. 2. So what is the answer? 2 by 3. 4 into 2 by 3 is equal to answer 2 by 3. Is it clear? Let us see part of part. 1 meter ribbon. Can you say what is the half of half? Here 1 meter ribbon. Look at this 1 meter ribbon. This part is half meter and this part also half meter. So 4 half into half is equal to 1 by 4. What is the half of 1 by 3? What is the half of 1 by 3? This is the 1 by 3. This part is called 1 by 3. What is the half of this? So we should make here half. So we will get here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. 6 equal parts. So what is the answer? Half of 1 by 3 is this part. So half into 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 6. Is it clear? What is the 1 by 4 part of 1 by 3 meter? Quarter of 1 by 3 meter. How can we find the answer? 1 by 4 into 1 by 3 is equal to 1 ones are 1. Next here 4 into 3 12. 1 by 12 into 1 by 3 is 1 by 12. Is it clear? How can we calculate this? 1 by 4 of 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 4 into 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 1 into 2, 2, 4 into 3, 12. So answer 2 by 12. What is the smaller fraction of 2 by 12? 2 we can write 1, 12, 6. 1 by 6 is the answer. 1 by 4 into 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 6. Smaller fraction of this 1 by 6. Is it clear? 4 into 1 and half. 4 into 1 and half. It means 4 times 1 and half. What is the answer? How can we find 4 times 1 and half is equal to 4 into 2 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So we should write 1 by 2 as 3 by 2. Is it clear? We should multiply here. 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So how can we write this? 3 by 2. So what is the answer? 4 into 3, 12. 12 by 2. 12 divided by 2. What is the answer? 6 times 12. 2 6 times 12, right? So answer 6. 4 times 1 and half is 6. Is it clear? 3 times 2 1 by 4. How can we write the answer? 3 into 2 1 by 4. Here also we should multiply first. 4 into 2 8. 8 plus 1 9. So this one we can write 2 1 by 4 we can write as 9 by 4. 3 into 9 by 4 is equal to 3 into 9, 27. 27 by 4. What is the answer? 27 by 4. 4, 6 times. 4, 6 times 24. 27 minus 24 is 3. So what is the answer? The 6 we should write as answer 6, 3 by, reminder we should write here 4 as denominator. 3, 6, 3 by this remainder we should write as numerator and 4 we should write as denominator. So what is the answer? 6 3 by 4. 3 times 2 1 by 4 is 6 3 by 4. Is it clear? What is the answer here? 5 times 3 1 by 2. How can we write this? 5 into 3 1 by 2 is equal to 5 into 3 into 2, 2 into 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. 5 into 7, 35, 35 by 2. What is the answer? 35 by 2. 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. This 5 we should write here. 2 7 times 14. 2 7 times 14. So remainder 15 minus 14 is 1. So what is the answer? 17 1 by 2. 5 times 3 1 by 2 is 17 and half. 17 1 by 2. Is it clear? Okay students, let us discuss more questions in next class. Thank you.